Hello there. For those of you who don't know, I'm Josh Mandeville, COO of Qubit Networks. This is our third Qubit Tech Talk. And I have some rock stars from Extreme Networks here with me. I have Mike Fortenberry and Alexandra Gates. We've been working with Mike for a while. He's a great account exec for Extreme. And I'm just meeting Alexandra for the first time. She just came over from the Aerohive acquisition. Mike was born and raised in Michigan, near Detroit.
Yes.
Awesome. And Alexandra, you came from California, born and raised.
Yes.
California girl.
Yes.
All right, awesome. As many of you know, Qubit has been an Extreme for a long time. We're all in. We're a Black Diamond partner. We've seen lots of acquisitions, and with Terrasys, Wing, Avaya, and Brocade, we'd love to see how Extreme has brought them into the portfolio. We're super excited about the new cloud technology that Aerohive is going to bring into the portfolio. From your guys' perspective, what does this acquisition bring into the portfolio?
Sure. So I'll start with that. So it's actually very exciting for me. So I came to Extreme back in January. I started. Previous to that, I spent the previous 4 years at Aerohive. So I worked with Alexandra for the last 4 years, and even previous to that, Alexandra and I worked together at a company called Xeris. So we've worked together in the cloud wireless field for a long time. So one of the things when I came over to Extreme is I wanted to focus on our wireless platform. And it's been kind of confusing for a lot of our partners. They always say, well, you have Identify and you have Wing. So, which one do we sell? But Extreme's done a really good job of moving forward and solidifying on one brand going forward, which is the Wing. Now, that said, we had different ways to manage it, either through controller-based or virtual controller, and then we had a cloud platform. Unfortunately, our cloud platform was not as well designed or farther down the road than Aerohive was. So with Aerohive coming into the Extreme portfolio, it really fills a gap and is going to be a great acquisition and help us move forward. So that was one of the things we wanted to talk about. And Alexandra is great, and she was going to just kind of talk about what that brings to the portfolio. Everyone is probably familiar with Extreme, but maybe we'll give you a little bit more insight on Aerohive.
Sure. So I was at Aerohive for 5 years, and now this is my 11th day at Extreme Networks. So excited to bring the technologies together. So the main thing at Aerohive, we were very well known for our cloud and our cloud management platform. And you have no idea how many times I was showing this to someone and they'd say, well, can you manage my gear from another vendor? We really want this cloud management platform. We just haven't necessarily heard of Aerohive before. So we didn't have the reach and the breadth that we wanted to. So with this acquisition, and Extreme is acquiring Aerohive mainly for the cloud technology, this is the first time that they've bought something for the technical component. So bringing that over and then allowing the Hive Manager Cloud, which is going to be rebranded to Extreme Cloud IQ, and allowing that to manage the Extreme portfolio is going to be a huge differentiator. And just the maturity and the feature set of the cloud, the Aerohive now rebranded Extreme Cloud, is going to offer a lot of potential for Extreme partners and Extreme customers to start working that into their systems as well.
That's awesome. We're super excited about it. We've been trying to figure out how to expand our cloud portfolio, and this really solidifies how we're going to do that.
And the exciting thing about it is that when you look at Gartner, there's 3 in the leaders quadrant. There's HP Aruba, there's Cisco, and then there's Extreme. Out of those 3, only really Cisco with Meraki has a cloud, but the acquisition of Aerohive gives Extreme the only 3rd generation cloud management in the out of the 3 leaders. So, like Alexandra was saying, the cool thing is the brand recognition. One of the things when I was at Aerohive, it was, you're a smaller player, great technology, but you need a little bit more muscle behind you. So now that Extreme and Aerohive are together, it's going to really open a lot of doors for us.
That's great. And we're looking forward to working with Aerohive.
Just a couple other points on some of the cloud differentiators. So as Mike mentioned, it's a 3rd generation cloud. So over the last 10 years, cloud technology has evolved pretty rapidly, and the 3rd generation is mainly focused on real-time innovation and then some components of machine learning like we were talking about earlier, but it also has a microservices-based architecture, which means that it's inherently scalable, so our customers can have a single access point or 10 million. It's technically infinite because we're able to scale up or down based on the customer's needs, and then also the reliability. We say there's 9 nines of reliability. It is always going to be available to the customers to go in and make changes to their configuration or view all of the data. And then the data lake aspect of it. We're collecting all of the customers' data and we're displaying it in a way that's powerful for them. And they can also interact with that data through our open API platform. So it's a really customizable cloud, and we allow the customers to build a purpose-built network however they see fit.
That's a great added bonus compared to a lot of the cloud offerings out there today. That's the other cloud offering. Like I said, Qubit's super excited. We've been looking to expand in this area. And anything else that you guys want to add?
You know, just if you're interested in learning more, Alexandra does a great job of doing webinars and things like that. So I think we had discussed that maybe in the coming weeks we'll try and do a demo, like a demo webinar with Qubit, so that we can jump on and hold a webinar where we can show you, a little bit more in depth about what the management platform looks like from our cloud and what it's going to bring to the table. And you'll see that with Extreme in this acquisition, we're really giving a lot of choices to our customers. So, and it's going to be really nice to see how it integrates with our full portfolio. We have our XOS switches that are very popular. So, we're going to be able to offer a full cloud solution that our competitors cannot offer. So, maybe look for that coming up. That we can schedule a webinar
and stay tuned for the roadmap as well.
Yes, roadmap coming out in
anytime
now.
It's still pretty new, so we're giving you as much as we can now. So,
right.
Maybe in the upcoming we'll do another one of these talks, and we can do a little bit more depth into the demo.
Yeah, we can dive a little deeper, do a demo, and maybe bring that into the video as well.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you everyone for tuning into this third Qubit Tech Talk. We appreciate Mike and Alexandra sharing with us, and if you have any questions, please reach out to Qubit, and we'll get you in touch with the right people. Again, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.